The Science on Schema.org working group is developing tools for programmatic evaluation of its guidelines. This involves application of Shape Constraint Language, or SHACL, with a SHACL processor to produce a validation report. First is the Tangram command line tool. Tangram is a command line application that takes as input the path to a SHACL source file and the path to a JSON LD file describing a dataset. When executed, Tangram immediately applies the SHACL rules to the JSON LD file to produce a validation report. Tangram watches for changes in either the SHACL source file or the JSON LD source file and will regenerate the validation report immediately that a change is detected. This real-time feedback is quite convenient when editing the SHACL source file or the JSON LD source file, since the impact of any changes is immediately apparent in the generated report. Tangram is also implemented as a web application. Like the command line application, this takes as input the JSON LD source and the SHACL source into different editor tabs. But here we're pasting some JSON LD source into the JSON LD tab. Then you can see that the validation report is immediately generated on the right hand side, in this case parsing. Editing in the web interface provides immediate feedback, just like the command line tool. Taking things to the next level is this extension to the Chrome web browser. This enables viewing of the normally hidden embedded JSON LD that's contained within web pages, such as in this article on 300-pound wombats in Australia. When the extension detects that a dataset is present in the embedded JSON LD, it provides the opportunity to send that JSON LD to the Tangram web service for validation against the SHACL rules. The source of the JSON LD and the validation report are also available. The tool also works with websites that inject JSON LD into the web pages dynamically, such as the Data1 search interface. The browser extension also interacts directly with the Tangram website, which we saw earlier. By clicking on the Edit button, the JSON LD source is uploaded to the Tangram website, where you can edit the source interactively. Here we find that the namespace needs to be corrected. Then the validation report indicates that the same as property is missing from the JSON LD. We add that property. The validation report then verifies that the dataset description conforms with the guidelines. I hope you enjoyed this quick demonstration of these three tools. Please join us at scienceonschema.org for more information.